This is my IoT wildlife tracking device developed using Arduino, complemented by a GPS module, vertical sensor, air quality sensor, LDR, and a temperature sensor. The Arduino is responsible for all the calculations and also converting the sensor's data into a human readable data. The GPS module allows process location tracking, offering insights to the researcher about animals' movement and migration patterns. The vertical sensor provide real-time health data, including heart rate and oximeter reading. The air quality sensor return the data based on the ppm of the air, and the LDR allows for monitoring ambient light condition, and the temperature sensor capture the environmental temperature. And I have another Arduino to demonstrate the networking between two devices. And that's all for the hardware. Now let's jump to the program. So on the transmitter Arduino, I have included the necessary library and assign the pin number based on the wiring. And then in the setup, I configure the pin based on their function. So as you can see, some of them configure as output, some of them configure as input. And I also begin the serial communication with baud rate of 9600. This is for the GPS and network communication between two devices. And then we enter the loop function if we have the serial data available. So we first read the GPS data, followed by air quality data, temperature, and LDR reading, and then basically I summarize them into a single string. And if we read the vertical sensor data, we will get the data and add the data into this single string. And then we send this single string of data to the other device, and then we print it on the local device or the transceiver device. If we don't have any serial communications, we just print no data, and then we delay for 1 second. Here I just use this as demo purposes. In the real application, I believe this one can delay for a longer time, probably 3 to 5 minutes, since the wildlife tracking don't require that frequent data update. Okay, now we can submit, see the result. So in the simulation log, we can see all the hardware is working and circuit validation is successful. And in the serial monitor, this serial monitor is the combination of the transmitter and the receiver. So as you can see here, we first received all the data, and then we send this data to the receiver device, and the receiver device is able to print the data on its own. sorry, I should show the data on the receiver as well. So on the receiver, we use the symbol rate, and if there's available message, we will read the message and print into the serial monitor. So yeah, as you can see, everything working as expected. As you can see, the virtual board have been installed on my Mac successfully, and I was able to deploy my device on each zebra, and when I come close to them, I was able to read the value from the Arduino, including the GPS reading, air quality, temperature, LDR. I use LDR to keep track of daytime and nighttime, and also oximeter and heart rate. In addition to zebra, I also deployed my device on elephants, since I would like to observe their movement pattern and health condition as well. So if I open the animal list, I can click on the elephant with different ID to read the data on them. So as you can see, as I click on different elephants, the ID here is changing. So I can read the data from all the elephants.